Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra. Process models. Process models are frameworks that outline the steps involved in software development. They provide a structured approach for managing tasks, resources, and communication. Waterfall model. Requirements gathering. The initial stage focuses on the defining the project goals and objectives, and then design. The design phase translates requirements into a detailed plan for the software's architecture and functionality. And implementation. This stage involves writing the code and building the software. Testing. So testing ensures that the software meets the defined requirements and performed as expected. Deployment. The software is released to users and made available for use. Maintenance. Ongoing support and updates are provided to address issues and improve the software. Iterative model. Initial planning in the iterative model. The project scope and initial requirements are defined. Next, first iteration. A small functional part of the software is developed, tested, and released. And feedback and refinement. User feedback and insights are collected and incorporated into subsequent iterations. Second iteration. Additional features or enhancements are deployed and developed and integrated into the software. Ongoing iterations. The process continues with the further iterations, each building on the previous one. Spiral model. Risk management. The spiral model prioritizes risk identification and mitigation throughout the development process and iterative development. It emphasizes iterative development, allowing for early feedback and adjustments. Prototyping. Prototypes are created and refined throughout the development cycle to validate requirements and design choices. Customer involvement. Active customer involvement is encouraged to ensure that the software meets their needs. Agile model. In Agile model, collaboration is the main phase. Agile emphasizes collaboration between developers, stakeholders, and users, and flexibility. It allows for adaptability to changing requirements and market conditions. Customer focuses. Agile team prioritize customer satisfaction and deliver value in short iterations. Continuous improvement. Agile processes promote continuous learning and reinforcement based on the user experience. Learn model. Eliminate waste. Focuses on identifying and reducing unnecessary activities or processes. Amplify learning. Encourage continuous learning and knowledge sharing within the team. Delivery value. Prioritize delivery value to customers in the most efficient way. Now let's discuss about Scrum framework. Sprint. A short-term box typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks during which a specific set of features or tasks are completed. Daily Scrum, a short daily meeting where team members share progress, identify roadblocks and plan for the day. Sprint Review, a meeting where the team demonstrates the completed work to stakeholders and gathers feedback. Sprint Retrospective, a meeting where the team reflects on the sprint and identifies areas for improvement. Kanban framework. Visual workflow. Kanban uses visual boards to represent the workflow and track the progress of tasks. Work in progress limits. Kanban limits the number of tasks that can be in progress at any given time, ensuring focus and efficiency. Continuous flow. Kanban aims to optimize the flow of work, minimizing delays and bottlenecks. Hybrid models. Hybrid models combine elements of different process models to address specific project needs and challenges. For example, a team might adopt a agile approach for development by using a waterfall model for requirements gathering. Here is a sample block diagram of hybrid models, where inception, elaboration, construction, and transition is an exterior and main part of the hybrid models. How to choose the right model? Selecting the appropriate process model depends on factors such as project complexity, team size, customer requirements, and risk tolerance. It's important to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of the different models and choose the one that best aligns with the project goals. Here is the simple and block diagram for choosing the right model. Identify the problem first, then establish a decision criteria. Then go through a weight decision criteria and generate alternatives. Once verify the alternatives and evaluate the alternatives, choose the best alternative for solving the problem. Implement the decision which we have chosen as the best alternative and evaluate the decision, and the problem will be solved and through this way we can choose the right model.